Hello everyone, myself Rajesh. I am explaining about recent trends in foreign exchange market. What is foreign exchange market? Foreign exchange market by Achilles Ganti, reviewed by Gordon Scott. Update November 8, 2020. What is the foreign exchange market? The foreign exchange market, also known as forex, FX or the currency market, is an over the counter OTC global marketplace that determining the exchange rate for currency around the world. Participants in this market can buy, sell, exchange, and speculate on the relative exchange rates of various currency pairs. Foreign exchange markets are made up of banks, forex dealers, commercial companies, central banks, investment management firms, hedge funds, retail forex dealers, and investors. Introduction. Currencies are always traded in pairs, so the value of one of the currencies in that pair is relative to the value of the other. 1.28 Forex market basic understanding the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market, also called Forex, FX, or currency market, was one of the original financial market formed to bring structure to the burgeoning global economy. In terms of trading volume, it is by far the largest financial market in the world. Aside from providing a venue for the buying, selling, exchanging, and speculating of currencies, the forex market also enables currency conversion for international trade, settlement, and investment. According to the Bank for International Settlement (BIS), which is owned by central banks, trading in foreign exchange markets averaged $6.6 trillion per day in April 2019. First, currencies are always traded in pairs, so the value of one of the currency that pairs is relative to the value of other. This determines how much of country as currency country B can buy and vice versa, establishing the relationship price for the global markets is the main function of the foreign exchange markets. These also greatly exchange liquidity in all other financial markets, which is key to overall stability. The value of a country currency depends on whether it is free float or fixed float. Free floating currency are those whose relative value is determined by free market forces such as supply demand relationships. A fixed float is where a country's governing body sets its currency relative value to other currencies, often by pegging it to some standard. Free floating currency include the US dollar, Japan's and British pounds, while example of fixed floating currency include the China's and the Indian rupee. One of the most unique features of the forex market is that it is comprised of a global network of financial centers that transact 24 hours a day, closing only on the weekend. For example, investors who have $1,000 forex market account can trade $100,000 worth of currency with a margin of 1%. This is referred to as having a 100 leverage. Their profit or loss will be based on the $100 notional amount. Benefit of using the forex market. There are some key factors that different the forex market from other, like the stock market. There are favor rules, which means the investors aren't held to the strict standard of regulation found in other markets. There are no clearing house and no central bodies that oversee the forex market. Most investor won't have to pay the traditional fees of or commission that you would on and other market because the market is open 24 hours a day. You can trade at any time of day, which means there no cut off time to be able to practice in the market. Finally, if you are worried about the risk and reward, you can get it out whenever you want, and you can buy as much currency as you can afford based on your account balance and your brokers, and you can buy as much currency as you can afford based on your account balance and your brokers. Rulers for leverage compete risk free with $100,000 in virtual cash put your trading skills to the test with our free stock simulator. Compete with thousands of investors traded and trade your way to the top. Submit trade in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading strategies so that when you are ready to enter the real market, you are at the practice you need. Foreign exchange definition. The foreign exchange forex is the conversion of one currency into another currency. More forex market hours definition forex market hours refers to the specified period of the time when participants are able to transact in the foreign exchange market. More forex market definition the forex market always participants, including banks, funds, and individuals to buy or sell currency for both hedging and speculative purposes. More managed currency definition managed currency is one whose monetary exchange rate is affected by the international of the central banks. More currency pair definition currency pair is the quotation of one currency against another. Related articles Forex trading strategy and education learn about trading effects with this beginners guide to forex trading strategy and education where is the central location of the forex market forex and currency trading how to invest in the swiss francs forex trading strategy and education the foreign exchange interbank market forex trading strategy and education learn about the top exchange rates page to the US dollar forex trading a strategy and education the basic of currency trading. Recent trends in foreign exchange market. In a world of national currency, the forex foreign exchange market provides the machines for making payments across borders, transferring money and the purchasing power from one currency to another, and of course introduction as a market have grown and developed since the 1970 in a climate of much greater freedom and competition. The rule of the market themselves has changed, and we have developed the tools and techniques to allow us to exploit this growing market to the full. One major beneficiary of the changes has been the forex trader who has a investment vehicle available today which was undermet of a few years ago and which will continue to provide the small investor with an excellent trading opportunity for many years to come. Determining exchange rates. The forex market has seen profound changes since the early 1970s, not only in its size but also in the way in which it operates. As a result of structure shifts in the world economy and in the international financial system, some of the main changes which have occurred in the world financial environment include in fundamental change in the international monetary system from the fixed exchange rates arising out of the Bretton Woods agreement to a much more flexible system in which countries can float their exchange rates or full follow other exchange rate practice of their own choice. Second one, major financial deregulation across the globe, including the elimination of government controls and restriction in almost every country, which has resulted in the far greater freedom in national and the international financial transaction and hugely increased competition among financial institutions. Third one, a fundamental change in saving and investment with funds managers and investment institutions around the world diversifying their investment across international borders and into multiple currency. Fourth one, major changes in and liberalization of international trade as a result of a series of trade agreements includes the COIO and the Tucoy and Uruguay rounds of the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, the North American Free Trade Agreement, and as bilateral trade initiatives with the European Union, China, and Japan. Fifth one, technology advances which have made it possible to achieve the real-time transmission of huge amounts of market information worldwide and to analyze that information rapidly so that market opportunities can be identified and exploited. In addition, financial transactions can now be executed quickly and safely with a level of efficiency which allow costs to be kept at a level well below these which were possible previously. New thinking in terms of both the theory and practice of finance which have resulted in the development of many new financial instruments and derivative products. Advances in thinking have also served to change our understanding of the international financial system and the techniques we need us to operate within it. Thank you.